Thank you very much. To round up today's session, I will be inviting the founder and CEO of VetConnect to present the closing remarks. Thank you very much, Dr. Shedrack, and over to you.
Thank you so much. I am filled with a lot of joy, seeing that this has been such a resounding success. When we started thinking through this after our partnership signed with NovaVet family, the thinking was, let's just focus on Nigeria. But I have always held the school of thought that I think part of our limiting process on the African continent is trying to think at country levels when we can think actually at a continental level. Our founding fathers in the 1960s thought and dreamt of a United States of Africa. And it makes a lot of sense if we are able to address a lot of the challenges that we confront at that level of ambition. Animal care challenges are not restricted just to Nigeria. And today I'm proud that at the time when we're reviewing the participants across board, we had more than 20 African countries that had signed up, some beyond just even at the shores of the continent. We had had multiple participants, both in our presentations and also in participation. That shows that we are agreeing to this resolve. And for me, at the early days of AI adoption, I also struggled with it because I saw the dangers more than I would see the benefits. But it just took a mindset reorientation to realize that it's better off to train ourselves on how we can engage with this because AI is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. So if we fail to adopt and utilize it properly, we will not be able to make the most of it. So I am super glad that here we are, having delivered not just a historic event, but having us participate in this 2 days engagement that I'm sure has shifted our mindset in very profound ways. So I want to deeply appreciate NovaVet family for, providing us the opportunity to make this partnership work. And not just that, also reworking the financing model to reflect the costing reality or the pricing reality for young professionals or professionals on the African continent. That is something that I must commend because for a lot of companies, they simply would have said, well, this is our price and we can't shift it. But did not only allowed us, we had to do a survey to decide that this is what works, and we came to that compromise. It's something that we want to acknowledge very well. And I also want to deeply appreciate the Veterinary Council of Nigeria, the Nigerian Veterinary Medical Association, the small, animal veterinary practitioners, ruminant practitioners. I want to appreciate the International Veterinary Students Association. I want to appreciate the Nigerian Association of Veterinary Medical Students. I want to appreciate every single partner of the One Health Network for the support that they have all brought to ensure both in publicity, both in technical organization to ensure that these partnerships work. To our panelists, to our speakers, we are deeply honored. I mean, the value you provided, it's something we can keep chewing on for the rest of the year and we'll still have a lot to still spare. So thank you so much for that value that you brought to the table. I want to conclude by also appreciating my team at VetConnect. You people are simply amazing. Like we say, and I will say this to us so that it challenges our mind to understand that impossible is nothing. And I will draw this quote. I can't recall who the author is, but he said that, who said it is impossible? Let him show me what volume of achievement he has to his name that allows him use the word impossible so recklessly. We must embody vision, we must embody ambition, we must embody the hunger to provide the change we need to see happen in the animal health ecosystem. And again, at the center of that is partnerships. So thank you so much, Team VetConnect, for making this happen. And we look forward to perhaps next year working with NovaVet family and other partners to make this a physical event and not just a virtual one. And more importantly, colleagues, please embody this tool. Let's see how it will transform our capabilities and our efficiencies as professionals. You have over 14 days of free trial. Our team has dropped the relevant information and will be following up one-on-one with all of us so that we would all adopt and deploy AI to enhance our capabilities as professionals on the continent. I want to wish us, or I would have said, I wish us all journey messes to our various destinations. But in this case, I will wish us virtual journey messes to our various workstations as we move from here. So thank you so much. And I remain Shedrack, the founder of VetConnect. Thank you. And
All
over.
right.